Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Maybe you can see it already. I've got orange in the bag, I've got blue on. Which products am I going to review on? Today I'm going to review Nimya. I'm so super excited to review this. It's by Nikkie Tutorials. If you didn't already know that, if you didn't, now you know. So I've got 4 products to review and a extra product. So yes, I've got the bundle. The first one is the serum. This is a glass bottle. They've got a sneak peek how far you are with the serum. This serum is, when you put it on, you got that sheen, that glowy dewiness from within. That's what the bottle says. I already tried it out a couple of days, so that is for all the products, and I am very excited about the products. So I really wanted to know where I was talking about. You can see it has a suspender and droplets. I don't know how you call it, but and what I do, I have clean hands and I put it on my fingers, rub it around, and then go straight in on my face. This one doesn't smell like anything. It has no scent to it, which I like. It's very easy to distribute. You can already see what it's doing to your skin. So if you have days like I don't feel like wearing any makeup, this serum really gives you that dewy look that the most of us want. So this is what I use every morning, every single day, so I look fresh and awake. One thing I forgot to tell you is shake well before you use it, because it has a sort of metallic-y in it. I don't know how to describe it, but if you see it, you know it. But just shake it well so the product is well balanced before you put it on your face, because the effect is less when you don't shake it that well. For the second product, I have the BRRR cooling eye stick. I really love this one. It is very easy to use underneath the eyes, and you can really feel how cool this one is. And they got a tip included that if you put it in your fridge, it's only going to get more cool and depuff your eyes. So I literally get it around the eye area, and I always do the top area as well. So this part is nice and hydrated. If you have hydrated eyes, it's going more like up and not dripping down. So if it's dehydrated, it's more like this. So you have a very tired look, but we want a fresh open look. So, and I can really see the difference with a few days ago. So just let that set. For the third product, this is Where It All Starts cream. This will create a perfect canvas for luminous skin, but can also help you prime the face for those iconic makeup days. That's what the pod is saying. As every other product, you have to use it on a clean face. Now my face was clean. I already used the serum and the cooling eye stick. So now we're going further with the moisturizer slash primer. This one has a phenomenal smell. Oh shit. Ooh. No, it's on my finger. So this one has a phenomenal smell. It is a really thick substance, but easy to spread on the face. And it really, really has a very nice smell to it. It's a little bit vanilla scent. I really love these soft fragrances. And I'm not that keen on perfume in products, but this one my face doesn't mind it, so that's good. So I always dip in my finger so I don't get more than this and distribute it around my face. And you have to rub it in until your skin takes it all in. And don't be too hard on your skin. It really has a nice glow in it. There are little pieces that give the glow. It makes my skin really soft, hydrated feel. There's also the serum that's underneath that, who is helping it. So those two are helping each other to get your face luminous. And even with this product, if you say, hey, I don't want to wear any makeup today, it's fine. Just go out. You're just shining from within. People don't know that you slapped it on your face, but hey, doesn't matter. So when you're done, it's because of my hands are a little bit, you can see the shine as well on my hands. So wash your hands after this. So it has a little sticky feel at the end, but that's great when you are applying foundation on it. And yeah, it really helps my foundation sit better throughout the day. And I just love this product very much. And she said something about wanting to put on a perfume on the market with this scent. So by all means do that, because I will buy it. Then we've got the Set It and Forget It setting spray. I didn't give this one a shot yet. So I don't know if the statement of keeping your makeup longer on throughout the day is true. So I'm going to try that one as well. But what they say is just shake it well before you spray it on. I already know that the scent is the same as the cream pot, so that's a plus as well, because it's just like you wear a perfume of it for the day. I can still smell it now with the cream on my face, so, and it's a really good scent. In the set was also a little fan. It has 3 speeds. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3, and speed number 3 is my favorite because I'm always hot, and yeah. This is cooling me down, is getting my setting spray in, or even helps my cream set a little bit more. So I always like to do this before I start with my makeup. So yes, this was a good bonus. I really like that thing. And on this moment, yeah, I am very happy with the products. I use them every day except the setting spray, not yet. Didn't get the chance for it because I was not wearing anything these days. So yeah, except my facials. For now, I'm just going to leave it like this. You can really see a healthy glow on my skin. I'm going to call it a day. I'm not doing my makeup or whatsoever because I don't feel like it. I'm just going out like this and feeling very glowy. Okay, maybe a little bit of mascara later on, but this is fine for today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't already, please subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you next time. Bye!